once again, we're gonna go shopping today. I have a few vacations planned, and I just simply don't have enough of everything. On my last vlog, I came across a pair of gorgeous wedges, and for some reason I left them behind. Then while I was editing all the clips together, I realized that I really want those shoes. So we're gonna go back and hopefully they're still there. And maybe we'll find even more shoes, who knows? I also want some mini vacation bags because I usually just carry around my huge brown tote bag with me everywhere. I think it's cute for like running errands, but for vacations, I don't think so. It's also almost 4th of July and I'm super excited to see some fireworks and devour some cheeseburgers. I've also received a few boxes in the mail, so I'm super excited to open those together. Okay, I think that's enough. We don't want to get blush blindness. I have this contour palette that I've been holding on to for ages. She's being held up together by a piece of tape. I just have yet to find anything as good as this. If anybody knows, please let me know. I don't have big lips, unfortunately, so I have to... I'm trying to make them look a little pouty. Look at that glow. Oh, sensational. I'm actually too lazy to sharpen my lip liners, so we're gonna be trying out this lip stain from CoverGirl. All right, let's go. I saw this top last time, but I didn't get it. I mean, these are children's size, but my feet are small, so I don't think it matters. Okay, I found the shoes that I left behind last time, and I think I'm getting them today. They've been on my mind ever since I left them. They have my size. She is coming home with me. They also have a few others, but I think I want something with a little more height because I'm really short. But these ones are so adorable. It kind of reminds me of the bag that I recently bought. The size is a little too big. It's a size 7. Ooh, I really like these ones. And it even has a little height to them. Sadly, I can't find a size 6 here, so I have to leave her. Oh, I really like these basic black ones. Why is everything a size 7 today? This top is actually way bigger than I thought. It's a size medium. I think I definitely need a small or extra small. This would be a cute off-shoulder top. I definitely do need more gray tops, that's for sure. I think they also have it in pink though. I think an extra large is more my size. They also have this white v-neck top. Oh my gosh, stop. I need sweatpants. I think I'm a size large in kids sizing. Okay, here it is. For once, they actually don't drag on the floor. They have pink robes. Oh my goodness. I already have one in beige, but I desperately need a light pink one. Gosh, I'm devastated. They don't have my size. I mean, like, would this fit? Okay, these are the pink leggings. Love the color, but they're actually super see-through. Sadly, it's gonna be a no. Okay, these are the gray ones. They look a little bit better than the pink ones, but I don't know, I'm not really feeling this shade of gray. This is the gray off-shoulder top. I honestly wasn't sure if this would fit me properly, but I absolutely love it. Obsessed. This is the white top. It's kind of giving me nurse vibes, but I still really liked it. Keep. Not keep. Ugh, I would love some pants like this with lace at the bottom. This top is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of hoping they have some really cute maxi skirts because that is what I desperately need. If only they had an extra small. This design I'm obsessed with. Even tops like this I think would be so cute for the summer. I do need a cute little clutch for my next vacation. This one's kind of cute. Or maybe something like a basket type of bag. Ooh, this one's so cute. Ugh, what I would do for a cutesy little jewelry box. Look at that cute bag right there. So adorable. I'm not a fan of the little beads, but I feel like that's definitely removable. Ooh, this one looks so festive. I'm like 50-50 about this. And we have her. I'm obsessed. I would love these in a silver color. They even have a little starfish look at how adorable these are. Oh my gosh. These fish ones are insanely gorgeous. Oh lord, these are extremely long. I do need some bangles for sure. After all that shopping, I desperately needed a refresher before heading to our next location. That is gorgeous. I don't even know where I would even put this, but I feel like I need to have her. I'm still looking for an overhead lamp, so hopefully I can find one today. Wow, this one is absolutely gorgeous. They have this beautiful duck one. This, but in a baby pink color. Beautiful. A little J. Whoa, she is gorgeous. I don't think I have a bag in this color. These Steve Madden shoes are so cute. I don't know, I think blue just sadly isn't for me. Why do I kind of like this one? Onto the beaded bags. Ooh, this one looks so festive. Wait, I think I found the cutest one. I absolutely love her. I don't know about the back, but I really like this side of it. This top is so brandy. I absolutely love the striped pattern, but I'm not sure if it's flattering on me. Sadly, she was a fail. On to the next store. I don't have any white bags, and when I saw this beauty, I knew she was coming home with me. Once again, I found a few pairs of gorgeous shoes, but of course they're all size 7s. I also came across a few very cute skirts, and I've been really wanting a cute mini jean skirt for the longest. After trying on the skirt, I wasn't sure if I liked how flared it was. It kind of makes me look like a cupcake. It is raining cats and dogs out there. They gave me the cutest little squishy, and it was actually super painful. I was dying of thirst at the end. I could barely feel even half of my face. Just numb. After that, I rushed home, got ready for dinner, and that was when I saw the most gorgeous double rainbow. Back at my favorite place. Now it's time for a little haul of everything that I've gotten and received. First up is this gorgeous girl. Look at how beautiful she is. Let's open her. 2 towers. Oh my gosh. I have the red ones and I absolutely love them, but after I saw the pink ones, I knew I needed them. And thankfully all that manifesting worked because, excuse me? Oh, she's gorgeous. She also came with a handwritten letter sending over our iconic YSL Love Shine lip oil stick. It's very much Jane Pink vibe. Hope you love. I'm gonna cry. Okay, now let's look at these shades. I'll never get tired of that. Ooh. Oh. I'm never getting sick of these. It's like a reddish orange shade. I love me a nice mauve color. I just know I'm gonna use this shade the most out of everything. This looks like a combination of the two. I feel like this one's perfect for fall. I definitely need to do some brown makeup looks with these. I've never tried, so perfect opportunity to start. This one is much more red. I'm a little scared of a red lip, but maybe I'll try it out. My nail accidentally got in this one. It's like another reddish mauve. This one I can definitely see myself using more as well. Can I try it on? Let's try it on. Oh, wait. It feels so buttery smooth. Like butter. Well, I mean, I guess that's why I call it a lip oil. I don't think I have any lip product this warm shade. My babies. YSL never misses when it comes to their PR boxes. I had the giant cushion foundation and now the giant lipstick. We are all family here. Next, I wanted to show you guys the bag that I did end up getting at the store. This gorgeous white shoulder bag kind of reminds me of the early 2000s. A lot of the fashion had these silver embellishments and I really liked the pattern inside. I don't have any white bags until I found her, so she had to come home with me. Alright, next. I did receive a package of Chinese makeup and I've never tried it before, so let's open them together. Oh, whoa, this gorgeous packaging first of all. And it has a little mirror. Oh, that's adorable. I think you open it by clicking this and it opens. Do you see that? That looks absolutely beautiful. I'm so scared to even swatch it. It even comes with a little chain. Oh my gosh. Okay, next we have two of these, which I think are cushion foundations. It's like a lotus flower. My face is a little pink right now, but this might actually be my shade. It already looks so creamy. I really want to open this tiny one. Oh my gosh. Beautiful flower design. Like a cool toned blush. I definitely need to use these in my next makeup look. I don't know if I told you, I finally got my new glasses. As you know, I am blind and I've had the same glasses for about 10 years and my vision has gotten downhill since then. So I got new glasses. They're blue light glasses. Oh my gosh, that's such an interesting pattern. I'm usually staring at a screen 24/7 and it does give me headaches. So I got these prescription. These are the frames that I chose. They're so cute. Definitely makes my eyes a little smaller, but these are mainly when I'm watching a movie or when I'm editing. And it looks so cute. I don't want like those huge black frames again. So I got something a little more simple. What do we think? Do we like it? Okay, next I wanted to show you the shoes that I picked up at the store. The same shoes that I left behind a week ago. While I was looking back through the footage, I was like, wait, these shoes are actually so cute. Why didn't I get them? And I did. Look at how vacation-y these wedges are. If I can find 5 more pairs of shoes similar to these, I would be set, honestly. Prepare to be sick of me in these shoes. And that is everything. I did end up finding this sweater deep in my closet. Makes me want to hot jog real bad. Today is finally 4th of July and I went to this little area by the lake, which of course I had to pick up my favorite matcha. They even had pistachio cookies, which I was super excited about. Cheers! And of course ending the day off with some pizza right before the fireworks.